trying.
Uh-oh.
Good trying. Mommy help? Mommy help. There you go. Uh-oh, we lost it, didn't we? Mommy help again? Was that a big piece? Yeah. Good job. You got some, Ryan. You got some. Look. Okay, it's on your fork. Take a bite. Oh, I know. We got too excited, didn't we?